Imagine fresh herbs all year round. Picture yourself snipping fresh basil, mint or rosemary right from your windowsill. The convenience and satisfaction of having your own herb garden are unmatched. No need to rely on supermarket varieties. Often, store-bought herbs lack the vibrancy and flavor of homegrown ones. Plus, you can avoid the plastic packaging and reduce waste. Growing herbs indoors is rewarding and easy. With just a few pots, some soil and a sunny spot, you can start your own mini garden. It's a perfect project for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Fresh herbs make food taste better. Imagine the burst of flavor from freshly picked thyme in your soup, or the zing of cilantro in your salsa. The culinary possibilities are endless. They also have vitamins and antioxidants to keep you healthy. Herbs like parsley and basil are packed with nutrients that can boost your immune system and improve overall health. Imagine the aroma of fresh basil on your pizza. The scent alone can transport you to an Italian pizzeria, enhancing your dining experience, or the taste of freshly chopped parsley in your pasta. It adds a fresh, vibrant touch that dried herbs simply can't match. You can have all this and more by growing your own indoor herb garden. It's a delightful way to bring nature indoors and enjoy the benefits of fresh herbs every day. It's simpler than you think, and the rewards are immense. Not only will you have a constant supply of fresh herbs, but you'll also enjoy the therapeutic benefits of gardening. Start your indoor herb garden today and transform your cooking and health. Herbs need sunlight to thrive. Choose a sunny spot like a windowsill. Good drainage is important. Use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Herbs love well-drained soil. Use a good quality potting mix for best results. Water your herbs regularly, but don't overwater. Feel the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. Herbs enjoy humidity. Mist them occasionally or place a tray of water nearby. Remember, a happy herb is a productive herb. Basil is a favorite in many cuisines. Its aromatic leaves add a burst of flavor to dishes like pasta, salads, and pesto. Plant basil seeds in a sunny spot. Basil thrives in warm temperatures and needs plenty of sunlight to grow strong and healthy. Keep the soil moist and watch it grow. Regular watering is essential, but be careful not to overwater, as basil prefers well-drained soil. Parsley adds freshness to any dish. It's a versatile herb that can be used in soups, stews, and as a garnish. It prefers slightly cooler temperatures. Parsley can tolerate some shade, making it perfect for indoor gardens or cooler climates. Place your parsley pot near a window with indirect sunlight. This will ensure it gets enough light without being scorched by direct sun. Thyme is a hardy herb that's easy to grow. It prefers drier conditions and is perfect for those who might forget to water their plants regularly. Let the soil dry out completely between watering. Thyme is drought-tolerant, and too much water can actually harm it. These herbs are easy to grow and will reward you with abundant flavor. They can be grown indoors or outdoors, making them versatile for any home. Remember to harvest your herbs regularly to encourage new growth. Regular harvesting not only provides you with fresh herbs, but also promotes a bushier and healthier plant. Section 4. Making the most of small spaces. Don't worry if you have limited space. Vertical gardening is your friend. Use shelves or hanging planters to maximize space. Compact herb varieties are perfect for small spaces. Try dwarf basil or parsley for your windowsill garden. Get creative. Repurpose old containers like teacups or mugs as planters. With a little planning, you can enjoy fresh herbs even in the smallest of spaces. Section 5. Enjoying the fruits and herbs of your labor. An indoor herb garden is a gift that keeps on giving. Imagine having a variety of fresh herbs at your fingertips, ready to enhance any dish you prepare. From basil to mint, rosemary to thyme, the possibilities are endless. You'll enjoy fresh, flavorful herbs all year round. No more last-minute trips to the store for that missing ingredient. Instead, you can simply snip what you need right from your own garden. Growing your own herbs is also good for the environment. By cultivating your own garden, you reduce the need for commercially grown herbs, which often come with a significant carbon footprint. It reduces food miles and packaging waste, so why wait? By growing your own herbs, you contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about nurturing a plant from seed to harvest. Start your indoor herb garden today and experience the joy of fresh, homegrown flavor. Whether you have a spacious kitchen or a small apartment, there's always room for a few pots of herbs. Remember, the most important ingredient in your culinary journey is the love and care you put into it. Happy growing. Your indoor herb garden will not only provide you with fresh ingredients, but also a sense of accomplishment and connection to nature.